Good morning, everybody. This morning I'm going to demonstrate the progressive muscle relaxation technique. It is a relaxation technique that can be utilized with a variety of clients that we may see throughout our careers. It is great for clients that are suffering from anxiety, extreme stress, insomnia, and it can even be used in a medical setting with patients suffering from chronic pain. This technique was introduced in the 1930s by Edmund Jackson, and he believed that mental calmness was a direct result of the state of relaxation. This method typically takes about 10 to 20 minutes per day to achieve maximum relaxation. But I do apologize, I may have to shorten the pauses in between each muscle group due to our time constraints, so I do apologize. But with that, let's begin so we can get everybody relaxed. And so I ask that you find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, in a location where you will not be interrupted. Okay, hopefully everybody's comfortable. And allow your attention to fall and focus only on your body. If you notice that your mind begins to wander, I ask that you bring your focus back to the muscle that we are working on. As you take a deep breath through your abdomen, hold it for a second and exhale slowly. As you breathe, notice your stomach rising and your lungs filling with air. As you exhale, imagine the tension in your body being released and flowing out of your body. And again, inhale and exhale. Feel your body already relaxing. Tighten the muscles in your forehead by raising your eyebrows as high as you can go, and abruptly release, feeling the tension fall away. Now smile widely, feeling your mouth and cheeks tense. And release. Appreciate the softness in your face. Now tighten your eye muscles by squinting your eyelids tightly shut. And release. Gently pull your head back as if you're looking at the ceiling. And release, feeling the tension melt away. Now feel the weight of the relaxed head and neck sink. Breathe in and out. In and out. Let go of all the stress. In and out. Now tightly, but without straining. Clench your fists and hold this position until I say stop. You may stop and release. Now flex your biceps. Feel the buildup of tension. You may even visualize that muscle tensing. And release. Enjoy the feeling of limpness. Breathe in and out. Now tighten your triceps by extending your arms out and locking your elbows. And release. Now lift your shoulders up as if they can touch your ears. And quickly release, feeling your heaviness. Tense your upper back by pulling your shoulder blades back, trying to make your shoulder blades touch. And release. Tighten your chest by taking a deep breath in. And exhale, blowing out all the tension. Now tighten the muscles in your stomach by sucking in. And release. Now gently arch your lower back. And relax. Feel the limpness in your upper body, letting go of the tension and stress. And relax. Tighten your buttocks. Release. Imagine your hips falling loose. Tighten your thighs by pressing your knees together as if you were holding a penny between them. And release. Now flex your feet, pulling your toes toward you and feeling the tension in your calves. And relax. Feel the weight of your legs sinking down. Curl your toes under your tensing feet. And release. Now imagine a wave of relaxation slowly spreading through your body, beginning at your head and going all the way to your feet. Feel the weight of your relaxed body. Breathe in out, in out, in out. Well, everybody, this concludes the progressive muscle relaxation. I hope that everybody is feeling a little bit more relaxed through your chaotic day. I hope that everyone enjoyed this technique. I will include the script along with my written portion of the paper. I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank you.